Good morning, guys. Today is Tuesday, April 7th, 2020. The Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee. Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Let's record the days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So today is Tuesday, April 7th, 2020. Yesterday was Monday, April 6th, and tomorrow will be Wednesday, April 8th. The month is April, and next month will be May.
Today is April 7th, 2020.
So today the weather is partly cloudy and today's temperature is 75 degrees.
So remember your healthy habit tips. Wash your hands daily, multiple times a day.
So for today's morning workout, you'll find a video named Own Noodle, and you could use that as your daily exercise video. Remember to be active at least 30 minutes a day.
Remember, it's okay to take breaks. And you could always contact me to my personal cell phone number or my email address. Today's agenda: reading, science, math, history, social skills, and you could call me if you need me.
And now let's do the mood meter. How are you feeling today? Mad, happy, relaxed, or sad? Remember to answer in a complete sentence.
Let's get started.